Are you like me, tired of the big city life, so you packed up, moved to the countryside, and then found out the hard way that the internet speed there, well, doesn't quite keep up with your dreams of remote serenity? That's why we made the new ATL 5G, our first outdoor 5G device. And with a twist. It has everything you need to always stay connected, whether you're in the middle of nowhere, in a countryside getaway, struggling to find any signal, or in a busy urban environment, desperately fighting hundreds of devices for that base station juice. A high-gain directional antenna, snow-resistant spaceship look, and reliable performance, now with 5G. Climbing on rooftops to install an antenna is hard enough. Now imagine dropping the SIM card somewhere in the bushes. Yeah, we've all been there. With ATL 5G, you can either use a regular SIM card or, drumroll, any kind of eSIM. But we are going one step further. You know how regular eSIM plans require a pre-existing Wi-Fi connection to activate the data plan? This is pretty difficult for routers that don't have Wi-Fi. Well, we have a solution for that too. Introducing MikroTik Connectivity, our built-in eSIM solution. No fiddling with plastic SIMs on a windy rooftop. Just turn on the device, hop onto your phone to log into your MikroTik account, and choose a data plan. It works instantly, right out of the box. The eSIM is pre-activated, pre-configured. You won't even have to call a mobile operator or build a temporary internet connection just to activate. Fully self-sufficient setup. Isn't that the dream? You can use MikroTik Connectivity as your main data connection. But of course, depending on the chosen plan, the data limits apply. It might be enough if you're one of those hardcore terminal-only users, or if you're using it for IoT, like NOTs or other devices with small data needs. Through our global roaming partner, we offer a variety of data plans which can be easily renewed, upgraded, or cancelled in case you find a better deal with your local mobile operator. So no more climbing back down just to grab a spare SIM. With ATL 5G and MikroTik Connectivity, you're online faster, with less drama. Now on the hardware side, we have a powerful 16 decibel antenna, gigabit Ethernet with PoE in, so you have less cables to worry about. And one of my favorite features, the 4x4 MIMO, or multiple input, multiple output support. More antennas to work with, higher speed and better signal, even in the deep countryside where other devices might struggle to connect. But it can also be a real game changer closer to the city, squeezing every last bit of signal from those 5G LTE base stations. There are 4 high-gain middle band antennas and 4 low-band antennas. Also, band 28 support for both LTE and 5G. We're talking 700 MHz to 1 GHz. Why is that so important? Well, first of all, the 700 and 800 MHz LTE band is one of the most popular bands used by mobile operators for LTE communication around the world. With ATL, you will always be able to find some sort of signal. Finally, the sleek enclosure. This design prevents snow and water from collecting and freezing up. So not only is it easy to store and ship, it can also handle some of the roughest weather conditions. And it's IP66 certified. So what do you say? Are you ready for some alien technology level that keeps you connected always and everywhere?